Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the shop. Today, I picked up this new toolbox. New. Kennedy. What is it, like 13 drawer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 drawer. My bad. I got a 15 drawer Kennedy toolbox. It's, I think, pretty much the exact same size as the one I have, except there's smaller drawers. So, the other one I have is a US General, older box, same texture, just red. But yeah, this one I picked up from a coworker. I looked at it like a year ago, I think, and it was full of some kind of full of tools. I bought all the stuff I wanted out of it, and then thought about it for a while, and then forgot that he had the box. And he didn't have a price when I originally saw it, so I didn't want to make him an offer that was low. So I said, I don't need it right now. But he listed it on Facebook Marketplace. I saw it, hit him up, made a deal, picked it up. So we're gonna go through all the drawers and see what's left. Gotta unlock it first though. Alright, let's get into it. Up next, or up first, random bar of steel. Random bar of steel. Maybe a parallel or something. Scraper, sandpaper, some sort of pin. Is this like a tap handle? Oh no, you tell me. Precision screwdriver. No markings. Junk, junk, junk. Oh, found the scraper for that. The blade for the scraper. Junk. And I believe this does in fact have the ball bearing slides, which is nice. It's pretty heavy steel. Aluminum extrusion, stone, steel. That's a tip for an indicator, I believe. I think there's actually an indicator in here, which is something that I do want. Ground pin, squares of steel, square stock, bolt. This is, actually I do have something that this can be used in. I don't know where it is, but I have one of these, a set of those. Like OD mics. Oh, here's a high-speed steel, blank. That's useful. Random stuff. This looks like it was a parallel. I don't know what these are, if these are high-speed steel or what. They don't feel like it. Could be there. Yeah, that one's empty. Oh, I know what these were. These are dividers for it that he made up. Steel. Oh, that's a boring bar. Or a, yeah. Seems like ground steel. Oh, that's nice. A machinist jack. No name on it though. Looks like a Starrett jack. Some of the Starrett jacks that I have. That's useful. Indicator back. Oh, that's a chunk of bronze or brass or something. Beat up parallel, carbide burr, steel. Oh, another chunk of bronze. Steel. Bowstring wax, look at that. I have a bow. I could wax my bow. Oh wow, these come out really far. They need to be oiled though. You oil these or grease them? Oh, look at that. A little ball peen hammer that I don't need more of. Steel chunks. 1103, 74110. 7/6 all cut to roughly the exact same length. Rag. Allen wrenches. Got a chamfer and a center drill. Got a brazed carbide tool. Brazed carbide tool. Brazed carbide tool. These are full of like dowel pins, ground pins. Yeah, 7/16. They're ground pins. That's empty. Wire brush, cheater plugs, more ground pins. Oh no, these are taper pins. Cool. Don't know what those are used for. Random junk. This might be like silver rod or something, whatever that's called. Drill rod, maybe. I don't know. I need a hardness tester for sure. This is, what is it for? I can't remember what these are for. Something now. Obviously. Tap. Drill rod, probably. Drill rod. I think these are fluxed bronze, silica bronze brazing rods, actually. I think those are what those are. I have no idea. I'm just guessing based on the bronze. And we got a transfer punch. And whatever that is. Alright, we got a Bondis Allen wrench set. Everything, it's missing one. Look at that. And then just a bunch of very large Allen wrenches. I don't know why I didn't pick these up last time. 1/2-inch Allen key. Look at that. Something I actually could use. Finally out of this box. Allen wrenches, Allen wrenches. Another indicator back. More Allen wrenches. Allen wrench, Allen wrench. Oh yeah, look at that. That's probably what, 3/4? Yeah, 3/4 Allen. Last time I went over and looked at all the stuff, he kind of wanted to keep some of the things, and so I didn't get a lot of it. But this time he's just like, just take everything in the box, you can have it, it's yours. Looks like some grub screws or something. Yeah, socket set screws. Some pipe. I don't have very many standard Allen keys for some reason. I just have a lot of metric ones, so these will kind of balance out. Probably. I don't think there's many metric ones in here. I haven't looked at them, but I'm guessing because there's only one metric. Or there's one, the standard set. I finally have a complete one for sure. And a socket scrap screw. There's some very small screws in here. Next drawer. A book. But what is it full of? It appears to be a form of maybe all the work he's done. The guy that owned it before me, before the guy I bought it from, all of his records or whatever is in this. So that's not really useful for me. It's like a machinist handbook. Some of the work he's done in the past, kind of notated. That's gross. Hose clamp. Probably just throw that away. Pipe cap thread thing. Oh, this is a broken indicator. Oh, that stinks. It's only a thou, though, and it is Chinese, so I don't really care. It doesn't bother me. It's junk. Oh, this is backwards. There's probably junk anyway. Taiwan import sockets. Not even like the full set. Yeah, that's pretty much junk. Craftsman rubber and plastic hammer. Those are nice. I have 2 of those, I think, out of the collection. Maybe bring that to work. I don't know. Cheater pipe, probably what that was used for. A lead hammer. That's always good to have. Beat the crap out of something. If only I had the mold for that baby, that'd be nice. I have a bunch of lead I could use to make lead hammers. Maybe I'll make up a mold. Cylinder surface hone. Handle, pipe, file. I don't really need any files. I got a lot of files. File. File. Probably more drill rod on at this point. Metal. Square head bolt, square head bolt, socket head bolt, socket head bolt. Oh, this is a Indestro Super socket hex, whatever you call it. Another tap, rat tail file. There's a interesting. It's a pipe tap with a nut smashed onto the end of it, probably so you can use it, and so you didn't have a wrench. Bunch of random steel stuff. Carbaloy. This is high-speed steel, I think. Wonder what this was supposed to be. Maybe he was gonna make a hammer of some sort, like a small. That's what it looks like. He was making a small little like machinist hammer thingy. I don't know. It's just the shape of like a small sledgehammer, in my opinion. It's nice tool steel as well, so it would hold up against some of the use if you annealed it properly. Nice little end mill right there. Socket, Craftsman. No, yes, Craftsman. It says, look like it says Raftsman though. Because the C is weird, it's an older socket. 1 1/8. Well, let's see if I have a slot. I do have the perfect slot. Perfect. It's in my toolbox. A nice little wood-handled screwdriver. Taiwan. I don't really want that. That'll probably go in the garbage. Alright. Well, that's it. Got some sort of pistol vac. What in the world? Vacuum, air. What do you like? The suck, blow? That's kind of cool, actually. Well, I'll probably hold on to that then. It's a little unique thing. I saw this last time. I don't really know what it is, but it's ruined, for no doubt. But it's like a ruler, but like thick. Would have been really long, but it's chopped up. So that's sad. If only that was complete, would be a nice little unit. I don't remember what this is full of. Just stuff. I don't use anything really good in there. Dead center or whatever that is. And that, some round pins, center drills, high-speed steel tooling. Some stuff I can use for sure. I'll set that over here. Looks like we got a rawhide hammer. I'll probably end up chucking that in the garbage. It's gross. Oh my. This box appears to be full of pins. Oh, they're taper pins? Oh, wow. Actually, that's useful. Alright, so we got a box of taper pins of various sizes. Looks like I need to invest in a taper reamer. Well, I have one, but I don't know if it's any good for this. Vacuum hose, straight rod. I don't know what these are for. If anybody knows what something like that's used for, let me know in the comments. More brazed carbide tooling, vacuum attachment. Left it on this. Look at that. Beautiful. We're making progress. Some bigger drill bits that I probably can only really use on my milling machine. I don't even know if they'll be usable. That's good to have. More drill bits. Some garbage. I'm going to have to vacuum this toolbox out for sure. Some more, probably look like drawings maybe? Oops, upside down and backwards. Yeah, it looks like we just got some drawings and stuff in here. Yep, some drawings and stuff. More drawings in there. A book, that'll probably go up into my room. Oh, we got a file card. That's good. I don't have any good file cards. Carlton drill. Oh, I wish I had one of those. That would have been great. I would have bought that from the guy. Betts mill. Probably just going to throw all these books away. Maybe not. I'll keep them for a little while. I'll go through them. Make sure there's nothing useful. More drawings and stuff. Stuff I don't probably need. Oh, some stare at stuff. Technical drawing and whatnot. I'll just go through here and all those later and see if there's anything cool, like stuff that might not be on like the machinist forum, whatever it's called, vintage machinery. Probably nothing that's super crazy though. So I think I got me a. Oh, that'd be a Black & Decker die grinder. Very nice. We'll see if that's any good. Has to be better than Harp Frittman's, right? Big ol' stare-at box. Cool. Love stare-at boxes. They look fancy. New paintbrushes. Wait. That one's Alright, let's make sure we can see over here. Scraper, some sort. If that's for like caulking or whatnot. Bulbs. I'll leave that stuff in there just so it's not in my way. I want to see they're really stuck. More paper, some glue. All stuff that needs to be taken out. More light bulbs, some stuff, some bolts. Cool. I could cut these light bulbs that need to be thrown out. That's gross. Air fitting, I guess we'll keep that. That's just garbage. T-stock. We'll keep that. Wow. This is all aluminum. That's empty. Spring, huh? Cool. Here's some more. Oh, that's a it's a brass hammer that the handle broke off of. Oh, that was the handle right there. Not really sure what this is. Looks like maybe they turned it into a wrench of some sort. You know, that's funny. You know, some people do strange things. Instead of just buying a socket, why not just use a bolt? Just a little cute little clipboard. And here we have more taper pins. Cool. Always good to have more of those. I don't have any. More carbide burrs, like that. Useful. That is going right in the garbage. And we got some good blue Dicom. Wow, that's impressive. It's still good. I'm gonna go throw that away. Some more taper pins. It's garbage. Nothing. Some acrylic. More aluminum. More taper pins down here in the bottom. Clean them out. All right. Well, that's what I got today. That's all that was left in there. I'll probably insert a clip of the rest of the stuff that I got last time, some point in this video. Just, you know, included with, technically this is all same place, same person, same time, well, different time. Yeah, all that stuff and all that. But yeah, now I'm gonna figure out how and what I'm gonna do as far as putting this somewhere. What I'm gonna put in it. It's probably gonna be mostly milling machine and lathe stuff, like end mills, drill bits, reamers. I plan on emptying out that toolbox, which I spent a lot of money and plywood on it and a lot of time building it, but it's just kind of junky and annoying. It works, it does its job, but I have this toolbox that's mostly empty. Well, I mean, there's a lot of empty drawers, like those bottom ones and like the bottom half of that, and then a couple of drawers here and there are all empty. So I'm gonna fill up some of the empty space and get rid of the junkier toolboxes. Now all I gotta do is clean this one up and oil it, and she'll be good to go. And I'll have another new nice toolbox and probably put that box on top of it, and probably another machinist box or something. Maybe put another machinist box on that. I don't know how much weight that wing can support. Probably not that much. I'll probably put it sideways facing that way, as well as another machinist box on this way facing that way. I don't know. It's probably going to go on the back side of my red toolbox, wherever this room, honestly. But yeah, that's what I got today. I hope you guys enjoyed me going through somebody else's drawers, and have a good one. See you later.